Hey everybody, Quilting here. Special announcement. Tune in Sunday, August 16th at 4 o'clock. 1600. I was going to say 1600. All right. For you military, you know what 4 o'clock is. 1600. Be there, be square. So 1600, August 16th, Sunday. We're going to be going live and we're going to do something special. All right. And if you're paying attention to the videos, there's an Easter egg on what that is. All right. I left the Easter egg on one of the videos. For you might be able to guess what it may be, okay? If you don't know what an Easter egg is, ask your children who game or gamers. They know what Easter eggs are, all right? Remember, Sundays, August 16th. Look, I can't remember. August 16th at 4 o'clock. We're going live. We're going to do something special. The first time we've ever done it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And remember, it's only fabric and it's only thread.